Good morning, everyone. I'm Pooja Kapoor from New Delhi, India, and I'm associated with Spirituality, Health and Inner Value Academy since October 2018. Here we have a team of counselors which is working towards the development of society as a whole, which is actually working towards empowering individuals so that they can take good care of themselves, and then we can have a better, healthy, happy society. So I'll share my experience as a counselor over there, as a budding counselor over there. So during my training process, I was told that the root cause of all the diseases is basically a stress. So even if a person suffers from a disease like say dengue or malaria, the major cause behind it is stress. And I'm like one of those who would not believe anything just like that. So I came back home, I searched on net, and I inquired from people, and gradually I realized that any person who's suffering from any disease has undergone some kind of stress, or maybe is undergoing some kind of stress in their life at present, or they have experienced it in the past. So now it is clear that if we have a problem, if we have physical issues, if we have a health problem, the reason is stress. But now if I am already suffering from any problem or any disease, how to overcome that? The question now was how to cure myself. So luckily I knew a lady who is suffering from hypertension and diabetes since almost last 20 years. So with the help of senior counselors from Spirituality, Health and Inner Value Academy, I started working on the health of this lady, and during interactions with her, I realized that she has gone through a lot of stress in her past life, and even having some present issues which is giving her a lot of stress. So I started working with her, and with a little change in her lifestyle, she learned few meditation techniques. Gradually her health became stable. Even now she is taking medicines for her health issues, for diabetes and for hypertension, but now her health is not fluctuating. I started working with her in the month of January, and in the month of January 2019, and now it's April. So her health has improved in the sense that earlier sometimes she was having a low blood pressure, sometimes she was having a high blood pressure, and same with the diabetes, it was fluctuating, but it's stable now. I also got an opportunity to work with one of the middle-aged businessmen of Delhi. He was suffering from anxiety and hypertension. He is also showing signs of improvement. Then before joining Spirituality, Health and Inner Value Academy, I was working with one of the reputed schools of Delhi. I even gave some of the tips to my students so that they can improve their focus, they can improve their concentration. So basically the essence is that here at Spirituality, Health and Inner Value Academy, we are working towards empowering the individual so that he or she can handle the life situations and avoid stress. And if somebody is already suffering from any disease, or if anybody is having any problem or issues, they can learn how to handle the stress, and they can move towards a better life. They can cure themselves, they can have a stable, happy life. So the essence, I think, is that you are learning to heal yourself, you are learning to give good vibrations to your environment, and you are empowering yourself. So a must learn for everyone. Thank you, and take good care of yourself.